Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off broadcast notification on Instagram. First, you want to click on your profile picture right at the bottom right of your screen, which will bring you to your Instagram's profile. From over here, you want to click on the three line at the top, also known as the hamburger menu, and then click on where it says settings. And from inside settings, the second option where it says notifications, click on notifications. From over here, you want to choose the option called messages and calls. And once you click on messages and calls, you want to scroll a bit down and you will see this option called broadcast channel invites broadcast channel message. Make sure both of this is on off. So as you guys can see, both of my options are on off. So if it is on like this, make sure you press on off, and just like this, you have turned off your broadcast notification. Now you can just go back and basically you have done it. You have turned off your broadcast notification, which means you're not going to get any notification from your broadcast channel or any other broadcast channel on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this related to Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, until then, have a nice day.